This is a super convenient and powerful recorder that you can pretty much put anywhere and know that you're going to be able to hear what you're recording very well. So I love this for the size, the convenience, and the fact that it's a pretty powerful recorder that you can put wherever you need it, has that magnet capability, and you know you're going to be able to hear well what it is recording. So let me show you the details. So it's going to come with a recorder, and it has some additional components that are really helpful too. Charging cable and cable to be able to hook it right into your computer. And then it has a couple different adapters here. If you want to put it into your phone, it's very easy to do too. So you have lots of capabilities if you want to be able just to listen to it. It comes with its own headphones that have a little controller on it so you can go back and forth with rewinding or adjusting the volume. But a lot of times what I do is I just put it straight into my computer and then I can do what I need with the files from there. Does come with these extra adapters for if you have an older Apple product, has the Lightning port or an additional USB-C port adapter too. So charging takes an hour, maybe two, if it's really depleted, but the charge on this basically lasts forever. The box says it's got 70 hours of battery life. I haven't gotten that far in using it, but I've gotten pretty deep into it, and I just charge it when I think about it, so I haven't really gone down. But this is not anything you have to be like, oh my gosh, I can have it out for a little bit, but then I have to charge it a little bit. It's not like that at all. This holds its power. And this can hold up to 136 gigs, which I think they say equates to about 9,800 hours of recording on here. So if you're going to record for 9,800 hours and not have to worry about putting it in anything else, this is the one for you. So it has an on and off switch that you can switch. I don't know if it'll come up on here, but you push it over and you can see a blue light that comes on, which just shows that it is recording. You have to give it a couple seconds lag time to be able to come on. But from there, it's ready to go. So let's check out what the sound quality is. So I'll hold this about a foot from my mouth. I will turn it on. I see a blue light blinking saying it's ready to go. Then it goes to red showing it is start to recording. And I'm just going to talk a little bit so we can see what the audio quality is. You can have it farther away from you, but just for the sake of this demonstration, I just want to show you how the sound quality is with about a foot away. So I plug this into my computer and you can see that it just pops up that I have a removable drive there. So I've got this separate disk opened up. So what I will do here is I will right click on this file. It comes through as a WAV file. Then I will choose open with. And for my PC, it works best with a Windows Media Player Legacy. It's going to depend on your computer. It's ready to go. Then it goes to red showing it is start to recording. So you hear the audio quality come up on that super clear. You can have it farther away from you, but just for the sake of this, I don't have my volume up all the way because I don't want to blast you out, but it does come through really well. And I had the files right here on my computer that I am able to do whatever I want with. I also have the option to load them into my phone. I will also note it's completely magnetic. I just have a little mint box here that's metal, so I'll put that on there. You can see that it holds pretty strongly. So I don't know what sort of situations you're going to be recording in, but if you know that you have metal around so you don't have to have it in your hands all the time and not have to worry about whether you're contributing to the sound of it too, super handy to have this magnetic quality on it. And it does come with this headset that has the controller right on it with play, with up and down volume, all that you can just listen straight from the recorder if you want, or if you pop it onto your phone too, it also works. This has a USB port on the end of it too. I also really appreciate having a separate one of these recorders because when I'm always recording things with my phone, which of course I always have with me, it draws battery life. It's just a hard thing to get into the app, open it up, have it ready to go, point the microphone in the right direction. I would much rather have a little standalone device like this, and this is so tiny and convenient. I can keep it in my purse, my pocket, my backpack without a problem. Always have when I need it. It's got such a good charging capability that I don't have to wonder, oh my gosh, is it charged up? And it's got plenty of space if I'm going to be recording even for a long time. So I will choose this over a phone to be able to record with any day. Plus I can pull the files off of it so easily. I really like everything that this has available in it, even in just such a little small compact thing. This has been working really well for me and I recommend.